We can generate cultures from tissue, from spores, and then in response to 4 environmental stimuli, typically introduction of water, rain, flooding, coincident with a drop in temperature, mycelium comes to the surface, exhales carbon dioxide, inhales oxygen, exposed to light. Those 4 environmental triggers stimulate the mycelium to produce the mushroom fruit bodies, which then, of course, produce the spores. So the mycelium grows out in like an internet-like design, which I'm fascinated by. And my friend Patrick Hickey took these micrographs of nuclei streaming through the mycelial networks. Because the mycelial networks, there can be literally trillions of endpoints, the breadth of my arms, of the mycelium in the ground. Through epigenesis, they're like little scientists at every little tip. And they're doing experiments. They encounter a new toxin, a new food source. They can then code for enzymes that can break down that new encounter, potentially the food source. And if they're successful, what happens? The mycelium streams, it's being fed. And that information is back channeled back into the mother mycelium. So these are learning membranes. So I believe matter begets life, life becomes single cells become strings, strings fork, strings interlace, mosaics form, and inevitably mycelial-like networks will form throughout the universe. It is no coincidence that we've invented the internet, which is a repetition in my mind of a previously proven ecologically successful design, that of mycelium, that of our nerves in our brain. And waxing poetic, when you look at the expanse of the universe and looking at dark matter, it also forms this internet mycelial-like structure. This is the way. This is the way of matter. This is the way of life. We're all embedded into this microverse of interconnectivity.